This is Olympus Trip XB AF44. This is a cheap version of Olympus Trip 35. Consists of all plastic materials. It has automatic flash, autofocus. It has a big eyepiece or viewfinder. It also has quartz date or date stamp. It's powered by 2 AA battery. This is a tripod mount, rewind button, flash indicator and battery indicator, film window, self timer, shutter button, and it has 27mm wide lens. Okay, let's put film. I'm going to put 200 ISO. To open this, you have a latch on the side. This kind of camera is coded, DX coded, so it can tell what kind of ISO. It has like a metal connector here to load the film. Gently pull the film like so. Okay, pull the film until it reaches this one here, and then close. You will see here. Okay. To rewind mid-roll, you can press this one here. Here you go. This to I only open this to let you see what's happening inside, but this film roll is already exposed. I only use this for tests, so this is only a test roll. So there, this is how to use Olympus Trip 44 AF. Unlike this rangefinder camera, this one you can put a flash. This Trip 35 is fully automatic. The only thing that you need to adjust is the ISO when you're loading the film. For example, you put 200 there. Yeah, that's 200 ISO, and this is the focusing. This is for portrait, group picture, and infinity or landscape. This one is only for flash, so you don't need to touch this one unless you use flash. You put always on A or automatic. So yeah, this is two Olympus Trip series. This is Trip 35 and Trip XB AF44.